1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Landau here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And listen to this, original mile car, 21,204 actual miles on it right now. 350 V8 power underneath the hood. This paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front chrome bright work on this car. Headlight surrounds. You can see how nice a shape that's in. Monte Carlo hood ornament still intact. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And you can call us 507-386-1726. This vehicle will not last long. Condition that it's in this year, body style, always popular here. Real quick, some newer things on this car. Newer brakes. Tires are just a little over a year old, 2023 in the date code. Dual exhaust is newer shocks. Does have a custom auto sound radio installed with amps in the trunk. Powder coated valve covers will go along with this car, not installed. I'll show you those in just a second. Owner's manual and repair manual will also be included. The one thing I do want to mention, it appears to be the majority of this original paint. It does show a little crazing, what have you. Does kind of show its age a little bit. Kind of typical of that late 70s, early 80s GM paint. But don't get me wrong, this car still looks incredible. Interior, very nice. Maple or red interior, I guess, if you will. Bench seat. That is a temporary armrest or center console that can come out. They put in some temporary speakers in the rear seats. Very stock, very nice looking interior. We'll get to that in a second. I mentioned Landau a second ago. And as you can see, black vinyl Landau top. Here's the powder coated valve covers that I had mentioned that will go along with the car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And as you can see, the chrome on the rear bumper, also nice shape. Once again, take your time. UniqueClassicCars.com is where all the still pictures are going to be. If you like Monte Carlos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it be right off our showroom floor or online. We can help you out either way. And you can see that black paint has a nice reflection in it. It's not like it doesn't have a nice shine to it. Just wanted to point out a few of the imperfections. Maybe a touch up here or there. If you can see, it's tough with black. A little touch up there. But again, look at the reflection, kind of mirror-like. One real small dinger right there. It's being pretty fussy on this car considering how original it is. All right, interior. Now, something, if you've watched our videos before, if I step back, there's the true color of that interior. Power windows, power locks. If I come up close to this cloth seat and I get too close, it wants to wash it out. Not bad on this one though. You step back a second, there's the true color of that car. All right, tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up and check out the exact miles. So 21,204. I need to click on the dead man switch that's on the battery, so we will do that real quick. Let me pause it a second. I'll be right back. All right, 350 fires right up. Once again, 21,204 for the miles. And radio working order.
Mental Health Minnesota, the Minnesota Broadcasters Association, and this station.
Top of the dash looks good. Chokes on, we're on a high idle. I'm gonna let it warm up just a second here. Headliner looks good. You can see they kind of have a backlit red interior light there. Let me pause this. Like I said, I'm going to let this warm up just a second so it'll come up off or come down off that high idle. Like I said, chokes on right now. It is running a Rochester Quadrajet 4-barrel on it, in case you're wondering. I'll be right back. All right, took maybe a minute or two to warm up. Now it's down off the high idle. Listen to that purr. Nice sounding car. The slip up to the front, I did pop the hood, was letting it warm up. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, has been converted to from the R12. Look at how clean and tidy this is underneath there. Looks like it does have a new master cylinder up there. Battery shut off, dead man switch right there. So they turned on earlier, so we had power. Good looking, nice clean engine bay. I guess what you'd expect with a car with a little over 21,000 miles is all on it. 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Landau. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
This is a 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, and I gotta say, probably the nicest one I've seen. It's showing 21,202 miles as of this moment on the odometer, and I believe it. This thing feels like brand new. I would dare say looks like brand new. The inside is super nice. The paint is very nice. The fuel gauge is reading full. Speedometer working as it should. I can hear the blinkers working. This is an automatic on the column. AC is blowing cold right now. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash. The other gauges are actually lights. They'd be warning lights. This is the era of warning lights. The late 70s to the early 80s for sure. I hear a slight ticking, and that would be the speedometer most likely. Wipers work great on this car. The headliner looks good. Also, just a striking red interior, red carpet, seat, dash, headliner. It looks really good. Even against the wood, there's red trim. It's kind of like the hot sport editions of some cars where they put red stitching, but this whole interior is red. Handle's nice in the corners. You know, it leans as much as a 77 should. Kick down working great on that automatic transmission. Plenty of power in this motor. I just can't get over how nice it is. It's so brand new looking. Even the steering wheel. And we have a protective wrap to keep it perfect underneath. You definitely want to look close at all the pictures of this car. 1977 Chevy Monte Carlo at UniqueClassicCars.com.